Well, hello everybody. Welcome to the farm show. I figured if I'm gonna get a corn harvest video, I'm gonna have to hurry up and do it because we're on our last little field here. Just about finished. We'll finish up sometime today, right around, probably not too far from now. So, just coming up here to the truck to dump. And that's what we're doing. Running our auger out. Sorry, I wanted to get videos made of corn harvest and milo harvest, but I had lost my video camera and found it in our minivan, so I finally found it, but not before it was gone. Not before harvest is just about over, I mean. So anyway, and now I don't really feel that good. My little daughter gave me a cold. Picked it up at daycare. So we're in here in the 2188 again. Just harvesting away. The corn isn't too bad. This is we're on a patch that my cousin rents. It's a little bitty circle. Little 3-tower center pivot that waters it. Just right there. The windows are very dirty, but the condition I'm in, I didn't feel like cleaning them off this morning, so I didn't. And shame on me, I guess. Got my Tugger here. This is Tugger, the Boston Terrier, co-pilot, and we're empty. Idle off to half throttle. Engage the separator with these switches right here. Now we'll flip this switch and the header will come on. For those of you who've never seen it before, that's why the corn head has those pointy snouts to guide the corn into the snap rolls, which rolls with their snap rolls are jagged edges on them that grab the stalk and they roll contra to each other. And pull the cob down. There's the Massey. They pull the cob down and then they strip the corn cobs off on the snap plates. And then the gathering chains take the corn up to the auger, which feeds it into the combine, just like anything else. You know, just like it's combined, just like anything else. Got the rotor speed of about 420, which is as slow as it'll go on this combine, at least as far as I know. It's a beautiful day. Nice and warm. Well, for a healthy person, it's nice and warm. I'm still a little cold because not feeling so great, so I got my coat on, but other than that, just motoring. Everybody's ready to be done cutting or picking or shelling corn or whatever you want to call it. We'll get up to the end of the row here and we'll call this a video. Alright folks, thanks for watching the farm show. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye-bye.